Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Good morning. So I'm looking very fresh faced. I've literally just got out the shower. I've just made myself a coffee and a bowl of Cocoa Pops to start the day. It's just gone 10. Yeah, it's just gone 10 o'clock. I am leaving my house at 11 for my dissertation meeting, so got a very long day ahead. I'm really nervous because it's my first dissertation meeting, but I'm really excited to get to know my lecturer more, who is my supervisor, because I know she's going to be super helpful in the project that I want to do, because lots of her work will coincide with points I want to bring up in my dissertation. So yeah, I am very excited. I have written out some notes about things I want to discuss with her, so I feel quite prepared for that. I just feel a little bit nervous because the whole dissertation process is starting, if you know what I mean. But yeah, also, I know this is going to cause quite the controversy, but I have my cereal dry. I don't like milk on my cereal. I hate the thought of soggy cereal. It makes me feel physically sick. And I like the crunch, and I know it's a bit dry, yeah, I get it, but I have a coffee alongside it, so it's fine. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that fun fact about me that I know people are going to be like, you're fucking grim, but at the end of the day, it's what I prefer, you know? Let's be honest, who likes soggy cereal? I think just because I've got quite a long day, I'm a bit ugh. I'm going to do my makeup and stuff in a sec. Oh, I might as well, I need to get clothed in a second, don't I? I have got a towel on me, don't worry. But yesterday when I was with Carrie, I failed to mention in yesterday's vlog that I bought shit tons from the Pretty Little Thing X Little Mix collection. I literally bought 5 whole outfits, which is quite a lot of money. But I'm just going to test it because the pieces are incredible, the designs are amazing. I'm obsessed with all the pieces. There are a couple that I would never ever try on me just because I don't like the print or something, but literally I'd say 85% of the collection I love, and I think the designs are gorgeous and something that's a lot different to collections that other celebrities have brought out with brands. However, I don't know how wearable it's going to be for the average person like me. Am I going to be able to throw on satin oriental dresses in Lincoln? That's what I want to know. So I'm going to test them out. They should be coming today, fingers crossed they do, and then I'm going to film it later. I've got my studio light and stuff, so if it's dark, because it gets dark at 4 o'clock these days, I'm going to be filming later, which I'm really excited about. I just can't wait for the day to be over so I can start filming that video. They're mainly going out outfits, but yeah, we'll see. I'm just going to get ready and I'll chat to you when I'm on my way to uni. Right, so I am now on my way to my lecture. I'm currently listening to the Receipts podcast. Honestly, I always say this, but you have to go listen to it. It's literally the funniest podcast ever. I'm literally laughing to myself in the street. I literally look insane, but it's so worth it. Yeah, they're on Spotify and on the Apple podcast app, so just go listen to them. It will make your day. If you're in a shit mood, listen to the Receipts podcast because it's so funny. But yeah, I'm just walking to uni now. I'm walking a different way than usual because I'm going to the science building. It's the Joseph Banks laboratories. I'm never really there unless it's for tutorials or stuff like this, dissertation meetings, because it's where all the science lecturers are based. I'm heading there now, and I'll show you the building as well because I don't really go that area very often, even though I am a science student. So I'm almost at uni. I just took my headphones off because I'm literally almost about to enter the building, but I just thought I would show you because I never really come, like I said, to this side of the uni. So over here, it's like one of the furthest points away from the main part of campus. Realistically, this is so close all together compared to city universities or anything. But this really cool building, I don't know if you can see, but the light reflects and stuff. We used to do our crime scene house practicals on the bottom floors down there. They set up a crime scene house and we had to do practicals in there. Okay, this is a swamp at the minute. I'm literally in white shoes as well, brilliant. But yeah, this side of the campus is really pretty, but as you can see it's all flooded over there where I just walked through. This is the laboratories. It's really cool because they've got like DNA molecules all printed on like the side of the glasses. Because it was necessary. We just had our little meeting. Turns out the Brayford's flooded and we decided to come this way. God, oh God, we're gonna get to look. Oh my God, Megan kept dreaming about the Brayford flooding. I'm really scared. What is going on? Oh my God, Lincoln's flooded. Fuck. Shite, what do we do? Can we even get across? Maybe up there. Oh my God. Brilliant. So me and Neve have come up to the silent floor. I don't know why I'm being so quiet because I think the glass is like quite, I don't know if you can, how well you can hear me, but I'm in like a separate room off the 3rd floor, which is like the silent floor in my uni library. And Neve's just gone to fill her water bottle up. I'm eating my Greg's wedges. I was starving and I had no time this morning to prep any lunch, which was so stupid of me. Yeah, just grab some stuff from Greg's and we're going to do like a mock interview. Well, not interview, it's like our mock assessment for our assessments. So this morning I managed to get my assessment changed to Monday morning, which is amazing because I'm going to get it out the way at 9 o'clock, which is fab. But we're going to, yeah, just do our little assessment of each other. I thought we could film it, but obviously it'll be not actually out loud. I'll just make it a time lapse. Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling wonderful. I don't know where I'm going to put this.
So, to begin with, can you give us a summary of your qualification and experience in this topic?
Well, I'm currently an undergraduate third year student at the University of Lincoln studying a Bachelor of Science degree in Forensic Science. Previous qualifications include 3 A-levels, one being a B grade in biology. I've got back from uni now. I had a drugs of abuse lecture. We just sort of like finished on stuff that we did earlier on in the week about extraction, identification, confirmation stuff of drugs. Lots of stuff to do with cocaine and how it's cultivated and things, which was really interesting. I'm back home, it's super dark outside, but I've set up my studio light already in the living room and cleared lots of the space because it's super messy in here, because this has arrived, the huge Pretty Little Thing bag. I'm filming the Little Mix video. It should be going up at the same time as this vlog, so go check it out afterwards, but I'm really excited to film it because there's some really jokes pieces in here. I realised earlier that I didn't talk about my dissertation when I got home like I said I would. Basically, my first meeting went really well, and we spoke a lot about bits and pieces that I could go away and do, obviously, for the next meeting. So I'm gonna have a look at like annual reports from forensic institutes and have a look at the pay gap. I'm gonna really be looking at the pay gap between men and women, because that's something I'm very interested in, and I have to collect some sort of data. Even if I'm not doing a lab-based project, I have to collate data somehow. So I think I'm going to have a look at annual reports, and I'm also going to be looking at like job advertisements and whether they're like slyly catered towards wanting male employees or female, which is really interesting. It's something that I found out today. So yeah, I'm sure I'll give you little bits and pieces about my dissertation along the way. I don't want to spoil it or like give away too much shit. Like I don't know how private this needs to be and I don't want to get into trouble, so yeah, I hope you understand, but that's my little dissertation snippet. So I haven't vlogged in a while. I've been filming my Pretty Little Thing video and stuff. I am very excited to get that up. It should be up at the same time as this vlog, if not before, so I will leave it down below, and at the end of this video it's for you guys to go and watch. So if you're interested in seeing whether the Little Mix collection is wearable, then defo go check it out. It's a very, very honest review. But yeah, I'm just gonna get into bed, start editing the night away, go to sleep and wake up for another productive weekend. It's Saturday tomorrow and I'm ready and determined to work my ass off for my assessment on Monday. So yes, I'm ready. Also, me and Meg just watched the Break in Fashion TV show. I think it's on BBC. I think we watched it on BBC iPlayer. Break in Fashion. It's a really good TV show. We just watched Chessie and Lorna Lux's episode because they're like our faves. So yeah, highly recommend going and checking that out. It's like really interesting to see inside like the fashion influencer like industry if you're interested in that stuff. Very, very interesting. I'm gonna edit and I'll see you tomorrow for another fun, productive vlog. Bye.